Meaning of Marxism.
Marxism. Marxism.
Noun. Definitions. 1. The political and economic theories of Karl Marx, especially as a system of thought and as a guide to action. 2. A social and economic system based on the ideologies of Marx, especially as characterized by the collective ownership of the means of production. Examples. 1. The rise of Marxism in Africa was a significant phenomenon of the 20th century. 2. The government's policy of nationalization was seen as a move towards Marxism. Derived forms. Marxist. Part of speech. Noun and adjective. Definitions. 1. A person who advocates or supports Marxism. 2. Relating to or characteristic of Marxism. Examples. 1. The Marxist activist was arrested for her protests against the government. 2. The Marxist analysis of the economic crisis was widely accepted. Marxian. Part of speech. Adjective. Definitions. 1. Relating to or characteristic of the philosophy of Karl Marx. 2. Resembling or influenced by the thought of Marx. Examples. 1. The Marxian approach to economics emphasizes the role of class struggle. 2. The Marxian concept of alienation has been influential in sociological thought.
Marxism. Marxism.